Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you some ways on how you can make money on YouTube without actually making videos. Okay, but without any further ado, let's get into today's video. The first thing first, I've written some notes down. Number one, you need to find your niche. You need to identify the type of videos that you watch the most on YouTube. For me, for example, I watch a lot of compilations, pranks, or top 10 videos. Why is that relevant? Because here you are going to find your gold mine. Most channels we're watching are not using their own content. These channels go and find videos to re-upload them in order to make money. They monetize their channel by using ads and affiliate marketing. It is totally legal and fall under fair use. One example of a channel that does that is Cast, which regroups motivational speeches from inspiring people, and they put it in different formats, utilize their passion in order to increase the quality of the content. So here, for example, when we go here and search up Cast, we can see that this channel currently has 2.4 million subscribers, right? And on average, if we go on Social Blade, but we go here, oh gosh, Social Blade, and here, Social Blade, and we search up this channel, we can see on average this channel is making about, it's going to be somewhere in between here. So I'm going to say it's probably, let's say 10,000. They're making about 10,000 USD per month. For the last 30 days, they had about 8 million views. So the thing about it, if I'm to be very honest, most persons lie about how to make money on YouTube. And for a person who has personally done it, I would say, for one, the first thing you need to be able to add value to a content, right? You need to add value to the content. If you're not adding value to the content, there is no way, when I say there is no way you can possibly be monetized. Okay, the way you can add value to this content is by using a voiceover. You can either add some text, but you need to be very creative and making the content completely new, or making it unique, or adding value. Okay, sorry if I'm sounding a bit repetitive, but the next thing you need to do is create your channel. When you're creating a channel, I suggest that you create something like very catchy. You need to create something that pulls or draws your attention as well, because if you put something, let's say something very catchy would be let's say side hustle bros. When you search up Side Hustle Bros and you go and click on channels, you can see that there are not really any channel that has the name Side Hustle Bros. Now, a channel like Side Hustle Bros would go ahead and search up, let's see, Kevin David, for example. Kevin David. A channel like Side Hustle Bro could go to Kevin David's videos. And when you go to Kevin David's videos, you can sort by the most popular. When you go to his most popular videos, you can go ahead, find a most popular video that he did recently. Look, for example, watch. You see what I'm talking about? This video here is saying make money online watching YouTube videos. Okay, now what you can do, you could either react to this or you could make something completely new out of this. Okay, you could take clips or something and then you create another video with the same narrative or that gives the same output. When creating a channel, you need to make sure that you have a proper icon, as well as icon and channel banner. That is very you really need that, because if you look at our channel here, you can see this is very catchy. I'm sorry for the noise in the background, but when we look here, we can go ahead and see that definitely this is very catchy and it looks. And the third step is monetizing your channel. Now let's pass to your content. Go to YouTube search, keyword, within your niche that is filtered, selected, tick, comment, Creative Commons, and sort by count views. Creative Commons is a feature that indicates that you can use content in video as long as you do some edits without being copyrighted. After you find the content that you are going to use, make the modifications required and create video of your own. Compilation, ranking, controversy, pranks, and challenges tend to work really well on the platform. When you're finished editing, add a thumbnail that uses the keyword that you initially use for your research. Okay, so now a clear example of that. Let's say we're still in the Kevin David niche. Okay, when I say we're in the Kevin David niche, meaning we're still trying to make a video like using Kevin David's video. What we're going to do now, you can either get this video and you could be like, okay, make some pointers off of this video. When you make some points off of this video, he says or he promises you that, okay, you could get a $14 PayPal payment, $5 PayPal payment, $25 PayPal payment. You could be like, okay, after you skim through this video, you could see, is it really working? But can we really use Kevin David? He may have a standard YouTube license, but I would stay far from these type of videos. When I say stay far from these type of videos, like prank videos, these videos, I would stay far from them. Like try not to laugh and try not to this and try not to that. These videos don't really, I would say these videos don't really, you can't really monetize them unless you're adding a voiceover to them. That's the only way you can actually monetize it. Like say, okay, you could be like, okay, this clip was so funny. Like, okay, a clear example of a person that does this is Daily Dose. I believe it's Daily Dose of Internet. Yes, this person here actually does it. He does it really well. He does it really, really well. He does really, really, really good videos, and he's monetized. I know that for sure. And he's not only monetized, I'm sure like he has he probably has like affiliate links. He has like his Patreon whereby you can only send in videos that you personally filmed, and you have, look at that, you even have a place whereby you can go and submit your own videos on his channel. See that? Which is really cool about it. Submit your clip for a chance to get featured and get paid. Wow, your video can be seen by millions, which is really cool. So that is another clear example of someone who does that. And number four, is optimizing your video. You need to optimize your video by creating attractive titles, design thumbnails every time, edit your videos, storytell, list your videos under common license, and be consistent. When you list your video under common license, you're authorizing other persons to use your videos. You're authorizing them to use your videos, and when they use your videos, you could then get it to go more viral, etc., etc. You could see that these thumbnails are very catchy, so that's another thing about it. So I'll be showing you more ways on how to grow a YouTube channel and many other tips when it comes to YouTube and YouTubering. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next video.